All right, there, folks. Day two. Day two. Coming up. What I'm going to do now, we've decided unanimously, we're putting this behind because now I have this lip here, which kind of matches this. So I'm going to start cutting this down. I'm not going to put you through the rigorous of me watching me cut this, and besides the noise. But I'm going to cut it down till I get past this so-called rust here. And then I will weld this on here. So, instead of boring you, that's what I'm going to do. Okay. I'll turn the camera back on and I'll show you. Did I ever tell you the joke out there about the old man going to church?
No.
Yeah, Yashua's going to church. 90-some years old guy. He goes to church. Always sits front and center. And this particular Sunday, full of people, jam-packed. All of a sudden, out of nowhere, just right before the priest was about to start the mass, dark clouds coming around, thunder, lightning, everything out there. And then a big flash of bolt of lightning comes straight down onto the center. The devil himself appears. All the people are panicking. They're running out there, scrambling, stomping over each other to get out of the church out there, out of the way. And the devil standing there smiling, and like he was proud that all the people were there. Then all of a sudden he happens to put his head down a little bit, and he sees this old man just sitting there. He goes, "Hey, aren't you afraid of me?" The guy says, "Nope." He goes, "You know who I am?" He goes, "Yep." "Do you know I can bestow unbearable disease upon this planet and all its inhabitants for the end of time?" He goes, "Yep." He goes, "And you're still not afraid of me?" "Nope." The devil goes, "Why?" He goes, "Because for the last 40 some odd years I was married to your sister." Well, that was the end of that one. Okay, back to work. All right. And that's how you do it. All right, I cut, I grinded, did all kinds of things, but there's one thing wrong with me. Although a few people will disagree, they're saying there are more than just one thing. I don't know if you can see this. Look at that. Look at that gap. Can't cut straight to save my life. But I know you can. Look at that. Can't cut straight. And over here too. Look at this. Oh well. Well, lucky I got enough metal, so I can probably do it again. I was joking with Junior about this part here. I said I can leave it alone. This way, if any water gets in there, I have a drain hole. Instead of having me drilling holes, I can just have drain holes. Oh well. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for day 3.